Hey guys, and welcome to the song reciting video with Sledgehammer from Fifth Harmony, where I, the good old Ames, will tell you some lyrics of the song. And then we're going to go break it down with the meaning of it. Keep watching to find out. Sledgehammer music reciting parody thingy? If you could take my pulse right now.
Hey Mr. Bear, if you could take my pulse right now,
it would feel just like a sledgehammer.
it would feel just like a sledgehammer.
Womp, womp, womp. If you could feel my heartbeat now.
If you could feel my heartbeat right now,
it would hit you like a sledgehammer.
it'll hit you like a sledgehammer.
I don't emit it, I play it cool. But every minute that I'm with you, I feel the fever, and I won't lie, I break a sweat. I don't emit it, I play it cool. But every minute that I'm with you, I feel the fever. My body's telling you all the secrets I ain't told you yet.
Oh no, my body's telling you the secrets that I haven't told you yet.
I'm really hungry.
I'm so hungry.
Oh, I struggle to contain. Whoa, the love that's in my veins. Oh, and how it circulates. Oh,
I'm struggling to contain. Oh, whoa, the love that's in my veins. Oh, how it circulates.
if you could take my pulse right now,
Hey Mr. Bear, if you could take my pulse right now,
it would feel just like a sledgehammer. If you could feel my heartbeat now, it would hit you like a sledgehammer.
it'll hit you just like a sledgehammer.
Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share and subscribe, and as always, thank you so much for watching.